Intro. Movies have some of the most breathtaking sceneries you'd ever see, especially those about interplanetary travels. But you don't have to visit some imaginary planet when we've got some places here on Earth that will leave you breathless. Is it the world's highest sky corridor waterfall walkway in China with impressive night lighting, or the mesmerizing Rui Bridge? Maybe it'll be the crater of fire, dubbed the door to hell, that leaves your mouth ajar in disbelief. In this video we'll bring you 20 unbelievably fascinating places that, if they weren't recorded, you wouldn't believe existed. So why don't you get your awesomeometers ready for these amazing places, and let's dive into it? Guangdong's highest sky corridor waterfall. 20. Guangdong's highest sky corridor waterfall. Music. When it comes to larger-than-life sightseeing spots on the planet, you gotta visit Guangdong's highest sky corridor waterfall walkway in China. This giant racket-like sky corridor located at the Huangtian Gorge in Puyang is known as the Big Rackets by tourists for obvious reasons. The majestic sky corridor is built in such a way that it looks like two tennis rackets positioned across a mountain. Want to know how tall the structure is? It's as tall as a 166-story building. It's a project that cost around 268 million yuan, an equivalent of about $40 million US. For sure, all that money means the walkway would have state-of-the-art features, and boy does it have it. It's designed in a manner it was installed with 450 water nozzles and over 2,000 electric lights on the outermost circular bridge that reacts to the music played. And when you walk along the see-through platform of the sky corridor, you can hear the sound of glass cracking. Even worse, you could look down to see cracks appearing under your feet. But not to worry, it's just one of those special effects of the bridge that sends chills down the visitor's spines. Underwater waterfall. 19. Underwater waterfall. Who wouldn't want to be like this guy sitting on a plane as you watch how beautifully an island gets sucked into an abyss? First, this is the underwater waterfall off the coast of Le Morne in Mauritius, and secondly, it's just one of the world's most spectacular illusions. No island is getting sucked into a drain. This dramatic scene you see is just the flow of underwater currents. Once on the shore, you can also see the sand and silt illusion, but for the best views you'll have to hop onto a seaplane to explore the view from above. Niagara Falls. 18. Niagara Falls. Those that know about the Niagara Falls would agree there's more to the waterfall than just being the world's second tallest waterfall. It's a breathtaking and romantic wonder that gushes over 3,160 tons of water per second, amounting to about 700,000 gallons of water flowing down at around 100 miles per hour. Although the story behind its formation is a bit foggy, many agree that the Ice Age shaped these falls more than 12,000 years ago when the huge chunks broke off North America into Lake Erie and left large cracks which started to fill up, creating what we see and adore today. But it's only when you get there that you'll realize that Niagara Falls comprises 3 waterfalls. There's the Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest, American Falls, and the majestic Horseshoe Falls, all located on the border of Ontario Province, Canada. Of course, such a beautiful mystery would attract daredevils who would like to perform extreme stunts to marvel onlookers, and the Niagara Falls has had some such people. For example, in 1859, Charles Blondin did one of the most daring tightrope walks across it, wearing nothing but some pink tights. And more recently, in 2012, Nick Wallenda became the first person to repeat the feat in front of a live audience as well as millions who watched around the world. Whether you're out looking for some extreme adventure or just want a sweet romantic getaway for you and your loved ones, the Niagara Falls has got you covered.